Yeah, this is my new glasses, you know. It feeling very like Velma, very librarian, very teacher, very OJT, very, you know, teacher's assistant. I think I'm funky and I'll come out of university. I have my little small job in a little secondary school. This is my 4th pair of glasses since I started wearing glasses at age 15, I would say. All of them were rectangular. One was half rimmed, rimless, or thin rimmed. This is the first glasses I ever got with this sort of style, and I ordered it online. Yeah, girl, I ordered it online. So if you want to find out how to order glasses online, keep watching, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. There we go. So firstly, I would not advise you order glasses online if this is your first pair of glasses. First of all, if you think you need glasses and you get your eyes tested, it's best to go through the entire process right there. Don't try any funny business. Just get your glasses down here. If, however, you're a long-term glasses wearer and this is your 4th, 5th, 6th, 10th pair of glasses, and you probably want some more funky styles or you want multiple pair of glasses, this is definitely for you. So step 1, test your eyes and get your prescription. Don't rely on whatever your prescription was a year or 2 ago. I would suggest testing your eyes again and ask them for your prescription. Nothing is wrong with that. They're supposed to give it to you anyway, as far as I know. Step number 2 is measure your pupillary distance. So your pupillary distance is the distance in millimeters between the center of the pupils of both of your eyes. This pupil versus this pupil, the distance between them. If it doesn't already come in your prescription, you'll have to measure it. I would suggest getting someone to do it for you. Simply just have them stand in front of you, you look straight on, and you measure the milliliters with a ruler between your pupils. That's the easiest way to do it. If you don't have somebody to measure your pupillary distance for you, you can measure it yourself. There are tools that they sell online. It looks like this. It basically is a ruler with all the measurements all around for making measuring your pupillary distance as easy as possible. The average adult pupillary distance could range anywhere from 54 to 74 milliliters. Mine is right in the middle at about 63. So after you got your prescription, you measured your pupillary distance. Number 3 is to upload your prescription and PD onto your selected glasses site. So there's going to be a list in the description of the different glasses sites that I know about or that persons have shared with me, as well as the one that I used. And you could go there and upload your prescription and start looking through. The first thing you're going to look for is the fit. For me, I have a very slender face. I have a small face. It's long, but it's slim. The easiest thing to do is to use the measurements of your current glasses, because I assume that already fits well, or a pair of glasses that you had before your current that fits well. Another thing you could do is to look on the inside of your current glasses to get the size. On the inside of your glasses, you should see some groupings of numbers that look kind of like this. The first number is your lens width, which is here to here. The second number is your bridge width, which is here to here. And the third number is the temple arm, which is here to here. The distance between the furthest 2 points on your frame, this distance here, that is your frame width. The vertical height of your lens, which is from here to here, that's your lens height. They also kind of have groupings, so they might have a narrow versus big, medium, to just give you a range of glasses that fall into certain measurements that might fit your face. I'll also leave a link to one of these sites that give a very good guide on how to measure your glasses. Mind you, I just learned this the other day and I just sharing my knowledge. So now that you know the size of your frames, it's time to determine what style you want, what you want to say with those frames. What I love about a lot of these sites, it allows you to upload a picture of yourself or do a kind of 360 live video sort of thing where you could see what the frame might look like on your face. And this was helpful for me because all my glasses were slim rectangular glasses with either very thin frames or no frame at all. And I know I was trying a new style, so I was kind of nervous, like, oh gosh, how this thing gonna look. And you'll be able to see that in my reaction that I will put at the end of the video when I unboxed it when I came home from work. After you virtually try on a million frames and you decide on one that is right for you, add it to your cart and add all your lens additions. So you could do transitions, you could do blue light blocking, you could do anti-smudge. All these sites have various additions to your lenses. Obviously you have to pay for these that you can have. You could even customize some of your frames on some of these sites listed below, and then you pay for it and wait for it to arrive. I placed my order on the 4th of April and I got mine on the 18th of April, which is exactly 2 weeks it took to arrive here. 2 weeks exact. It took me 2 Fridays and it was here. I was unboxing it. I was ready I was ready, and it didn't take that much to clear. So I only bought one. I really wanted to buy 2, but because this was my first time, I said I'm gonna just do one and calm myself. And now I like it. I will be honest, I was a little taken aback by the new style. I was like, oh, I don't know how this looks. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. But I got accustomed to it and I like it now. And now I want to buy another one. I think in about 2 months, yes, I think I'll buy my other pair just to switch up my style. I'm also unfortunately extremely clumsy and careless, and I want to have a backup glasses. So I'll probably pick a style completely different to these ones. Maybe not with a metal frame, maybe a plastic frame, maybe a darker color. These frames that I bought, I'll leave a link for this exact pair of glasses. It's a gold frame. It's actually kind of rose gold-ish, and then there's the brown acrylic at the top, and it's like a very, very light pink tint. I didn't want anything that was too like bold color in your face. I ain't jumping up myself so much. So I hope you learned how to order your glasses online. I'll leave as much information as possible, links to everything in the description box below. If you have any additional questions, leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer, but I am not an expert. This is the first time I'm doing this. Bear with me, right? Thanks again for watching. I really hope you guys liking my content. There's a lot of variety in here, a lot of variety. Again, food, again, beauty, again, glasses, how to we learn in the internet is a magical place. Okay, I'm gonna open it, right? Oh, they put it in a nice little floral thing, majigs, and a clear glasses case. What is this in here? They put something in here. What is this? Oh, it's like a little mini screwdriver with screws. In case anything happen, you could fix it and stuff. That's cool. I mean, I can't fix nothing like that. I don't have them kind of skills. I'll probably get somebody to do it. But it's nice that they give you a tool to do it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lordy, Miss Claudie. Okay. Moment of truth. Gosh, I'm nervous. What if I don't like it? What if it fit weird? Relax. Yeah, just relax. Okay, Fumu exclusive 50% off, share more, blah 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 blah. Discount cards, glasses, wrapped. God, the right wrap it up, so it's not even like I could preview it before I put it on my face. This is why I order, boy, it's feeling smaller. Okay, taking it out. Oh God, this is the color I ordered. I don't know now, I feel like I forget what I ordered. Okay, I just gonna put it on my face and open my eye, right? What do you think? You don't like it? You're watching me like you don't know if you like it. I don't know if I like it. I can't see, I can't tell. How it fit? I need a mirror. You have a mirror? What is called that thing? If you find I'm not giving me enough, it fit well. I don't feel like it's too big for my face. It's a different style and I don't know how I feel. So it's like, well, it's supposed to be gold and like a very light pink. Is this even light pink? I think it is. I can't tell. The lighting in here. Right, so right, gold and a light pink. So it's like metal is the frame, but they have like an acrylic on the brow thingamajiggy. How you feel? You like it? Really? I feel like this glasses, I had to switch up my style. Like I feel like this glasses is a little more, have a little funk to it. It could just be me and all in my head.
Talk with it on.
Talk. Okay, right, that's what I was saying. With my eyesight, with this on.
Is that just in your eyesight?
Well, it's tested. It's prescription. First of all, let me just talk about how everything is clear. Everything is clear. Like the Canon, like without my glasses, I could see the Canon, right? And in my mind, it's clear enough. But when you put this shiznit on, like I could actually see, you know, the end of the Canon have like a little. It's comfortable. It doesn't feel flimsy on my face. Like I feel I could, you know, have. Okay, what do you think? I don't know why I think yet. So what do you think? How you feel? I feel like I'm a new person. I'm being real dramatic. I need to look at myself in the mirror. In daylight. In sunlight. It's supposed to be transitions as well. And you know, if it didn't come with what I signed up for, you know, it's a scene. A whole scene. So, there's my new glasses, guys. In my older videos, you would have, I did my old glasses. Yeah, in my older videos, you would have seen my previous glasses. It was like rimless, rectangular. It was bent up as heck. So there's the new look. The new look. What do you think? How do you feel? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me engage and talk and sing. Yeah? Alright.